Welcome to the first episode of CRAB.python. Today, we'll be learning about print statements and variables. Let's get started.
First, we want to talk about what is Python. Python is an easy coding language. It's considered good for beginners. It is very simple compared to most other languages, yet you can do many things with it, such as program Lego robots, Minecraft, etc. However, it is known for being picky about indentations. But once you understand the code and how to code, it doesn't create much of a problem. And by the way, you can use Python in Minecraft to build many things, such as a castle, a car that you can actually drive, and even the Death Star. Cool sound effects. You can also code your own video games. We personally enjoy making text adventures.
So, let's now start talking about print statements. A print statement is one of the easiest lines of code you can do. It will print a word in the terminal, and also you can print strings, variables, etc. So let's first start about making a print statement. So there are about 4 features to a print statement. The first part is just print. That calls the function, and it basically just says, hey, I'm a print statement. Then let's write 2 parentheses. That's the second part. Everything inside of the parentheses will be part of the print statement.
The blue text is the quotation marks. Anything inside there is considered a string. And the green text is a string. You can write whatever you want in that line, as long as they're in the quotation marks.
Let's start by typing the sample program. You may pause the video if you need some time. Now that we have wrote our print statement, let's press enter to see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, it prints hello world. So you can pretty much write anything. You could write cheese. You could write keyboard. As long as it's inside the parentheses, it prints the print statement.
You can also print variables, which we are about to get into right now. Now, what is a variable? A variable is a statement that is used to store information. For example, you can set a variable so that X means cheese. So let's talk about what variables do. For example, let's start with X. X is what we're going to name the variable. And then we use this equal sign, which is stating what the variable is. For example, this is going to be a string called cheese. And so when I press enter, it sets the variable. So when I print X, it prints cheese. However, you will want to be careful not to put the X in quotation marks, because if you put the X in quotation marks, then it just prints X. So whenever you print a variable, do not put it in quotation marks.
Okay, so that's the end of our episode. Stay tuned for some more episodes, and yeah, bye.